Extra Hand Solar Clean travelled to the Sydney suburb of Earlwood, working on a 50s vintage tiled roof home, having an 8 to 10-year-old solar panel installation, and which showed significant lichen contamination on both solar panels and tiles.
The western panels at the rear of the property were heavily affected, with moderate buildup on the north-facing array.
This is a common issue in leafy suburbs like Earlwood, where older tiled roofs can transfer lichen onto solar panels over time.
We carefully removed the lichen and completed a professional clean using pure filtered water only, no chemicals, no abrasives, and no pressure washing, in line with manufacturer guidelines. The improvement was immediate, and the customer later reported midday peak output returning to levels not seen since 2021.
A few weeks later, we returned to apply a biocide roof treatment to stop the source of lichen and algae contamination. We warrant this treatment for 2 years against any regrowth.
There's the part of the front section. You'll see lots of lichen contamination throughout the roof. So just out of interest, we're going to trace some of this lichen down the roof. So we've got our top section there coming down. Then we see 2 large blobs of lichen just here, not to mention numerous other areas. But we'll have a look at that again if we get another visit here and show you the condition. So at the moment, if you attempt to remove it with your finger, it is just not going anywhere, right? Because it's alive and well. So we'll apply our treatment, and in future months that'll rub off with our finger. So once again, have a good look. I'm really rubbing that hard. We've just applied some solution to this roof, this section, and that's how it comes out. It's all nice and foamy. So that section's now completed, and we'll let the time go by and see what happens in a few months in this section and for the whole roof.
The potential scope for improvement of our customer's classic tiled roof in Earlwood is no less than the colorbond roof we completed in the Sydney suburb of Turramurra, shown here. To find out more, go to our website or social media.